Directly below you is Dawes Point, which until the 19th of March 1932, those wishing to cross the harbour would pass it on a ferry between Circular Quay and Milson's Point. On this date, the city would be forever changed with the opening of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. We'll discuss the steel span itself at the next location, for here you will learn the secret of the 4 beautiful pylons that flank it. Yes, flank, not support. They are, in a word, fake. From an engineering point of view, the abutments which the 4 89-metre tall pylons sit on actually do all the work, supporting the arch and holding the span in place. However, from a purely aesthetic point of view, and to waylay public concerns about the structural integrity of the bridge not looking strong enough, the granite towers were added by Scottish architect Thomas Tate to frame the arch and give a better visual balance to the bridge. 18,000 cubic metres of a specific grey granite rock was cut from Maruya, a town 300 kilometres south of the city. Before it was shipped north, each block was shaped, dressed and numbered by the primarily Scottish and Italian stonemasons, ready to be reassembled like giant Lego in Sydney Harbour. During the Second World War, anti-aircraft guns were mounted to the tops of each tower to aid in the defence of Sydney, but mostly they've been used for maintenance and workshop access over the years. Today, the southeast pylon where we are now standing houses the Bridge Museum and a lookout at its top. The pylons are used each year for the vivid Festival of Light in winter, and of course the world-famous Sydney Harbour New Year's Eve fireworks are launched from their tops, while the countdown is beamed onto their sides. There's no need to enter the museum today, but if you have time, it is worth checking out, and much cheaper than doing the bridge climb, which you'd have to book and come back another time to do if you so wish. Grab your clue off the nearby plaque and let's head out over the water.